Assalamu alaikum. Today you're going to draw this latch plate in AutoCAD. So first thing you will notice about this drawing that it's symmetrical. So that means we are going to draw half of this. This is the symmetry line. We are going to focus on the lower half, and then after completing that we are going to mirror that across this line of symmetry. The overall dimension is 6.3 between these two, and then the key dimension 3.5 is between those two circles. There are reference dimensions 0.94 between this line and then 3.3 between the center of these two arcs, and this end of the drawing is 3.3, and there are reference dimensions 0.8 from the center and 0.6 from the center over here. With all this information, let's go to AutoCAD. Open your template with layers and the title block. Let's go to model space. Go to the center layer and start your first line. We can start at 10,10. So draw a horizontal line of 6.3. Now offset that by 1.5. Draw a vertical line about 2.5. Offset that by 3.5. Go to the object layer. Select the circle center diameter circle. Diameter 0.5. Another one of the same diameter. Now there is an arc of 0.6, so we can draw the circle with a radius of 0.56. Draw a line from the quadrant of this circle to the intersection of this line. Draw a vertical line of 0.9 units, and then go right. And this one is approximately 2 units because that's going to be trimmed. I'm going to offset this line by 1.6. The overall dimension from the end of this drawing to the right end is 6.3. Offset 6.3, this line to the right. Extend that to the center, the vertical line and horizontal line, and trim the circle in between. Now make sure that you have your polar tracking on 15, 30, 40 and 60 series. And draw this line from here that will be 15 degree, and if you go to that line then it's going to stop snapping on that, so either you have to go beyond or before. So let's do before that, and we are going to extend that using extend command to this line. This second line is 45 degree angle, so it's snapping now 30. And now it's snapping on 45, and this time I'm going to go beyond and use trim command to trim beyond that. Now we are going to offset 0.94 to the left. Offset is 0.8 from the center downward. And between these two lines is the fillet of 0.25 radius. Using match properties, match with object layer. Now we need one more offset of 3.3 from this line inward. and then we can trim beyond that. This is going to be the center of the arc. The shorter arc, that is 0.4 radius. We are going to mark the center of this circle using dim center. Using dimension layer, we are going to mark the center of this circle with dim center command. Now we're going to mirror this on the other side. Mirror the only mark using on this line of symmetry. And then we're going to draw another circle. Center is going to be this intersection, and then you're going to go all the way to the quadrant of the small circle. Now select the small circle and this horizontal line, and then trim the circle above it. Now select this circle and this horizontal line and trim beyond that. Match properties, and let's trim. The lower half of the drawing is ready, and using mirror command, select the lower part, click on the line of symmetry, and then on the other point on line of symmetry, and now your drawing is complete. Go to the title block. The scale, I have created this custom scale for this 1 to 1.5, and how you can do that is by going at custom, click on add, and then name appearing in scale would be 1:1.5, and then paper units 1 and drawing units 1.5, and then you're going to click OK. And since I already have that, I'm just going to cancel it. Then lock your viewport, double click outside of the viewport, and then add your dimensions. Since there are 4 of those circles, you can add 4 times diameter 0.5. Same thing over here, that would be 2 times radius. Radius. That completes your drawing. If you learned something, please like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.